Vindmuden, here we are. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hi.
Hi.
It's Christmas beer season. Welcome back, Team Iceland, to another episode of what life is really like in this country. Today I'm here with Jens. We are literally sitting in front of Vindmuden right now, which is the wine store, which is the only place in Iceland that you can buy alcohol.
Government owned.
Government owned. Today we are shopping for Christmas beers, but first, a little insight into what the heck is a Christmas beer.
Yeah.
Take it away.
Christmas beer starts today.
Today starts Christmas beers.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Christmas beers are seasonal beers. So the craft breweries here in Iceland have been having fun with this. Every year is growing in numbers. First it started, just a few beers and stuff like that, and now this year it will be 90 beers. So that's a lot of Christmas beers.
Yeah, that's so many.
That's a lot. So it's going to be fun to choose. It's going to be difficult to choose only a few.
Oh, I'm going to leave it up to you.
Yeah.
I'll follow your lead because you are seasoned in this. Don't you have a Christmas beer party at your house every year?
Yeah, we have a bunch of us. We meet every year. And we take 10 to 15 beers and blind test them and evaluate them and then see which beer comes on top.
That's really cool.
It's fun.
And can you buy these Christmas beers at any Vindmuden?
Yeah, this is the biggest one.
Or at
So
the biggest store?
Yeah, they should have all 90. We'll choose a few. And
We probably shouldn't choose 90.
that will end badly. We'll choose, 8 or 10 brands or something. Some are limited.
Oh, and do they make new Christmas beers each year, or are they like always the same?
Borg, the brewery, they make a new one every year. Then they have the beer has a name, a Christmas name, and usually something related to the Santas.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cool.
And then they have a number. So if it comes to next year, it's instead of 19 last year, it's 19.1. So they do a version of the old one.
Oh, I see.
They might take an old beer, put it in casks, and store it there, and then put it on bottles, something like that. They're fun.
Yeah.
So we'll look at Borg especially.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of my favorite breweries.
Yeah.
So we're going for only Icelandic beers because that's important, I think, for us. So today's November
14th.
14th. So this is around the time that it's usually the opening day?
Yeah.
And then how late into the season can you buy these beers? Is it just like when they're gone, or?
Yeah, usually after in January they take them out. If most of them will be done.
Okay.
Yeah.
People know, like there's a bunch of people here.
Yep.
They want to get their beer and get on with the holiday season.
Yep.
So the plan is we're gonna go in. How are we gonna attack this situation? You just know what to do. I'll just follow your lead.
Yeah,
I think.
we'll just follow. I'll just start at one end and let's go inside.
Let's do it. Okay. We have to get this one. This is my favorite. I love Delirium.
It's a really good one. That's one of the Santas also.
Oh yeah. Oh, he must be a good one.
Yeah, I'm buying
Blueberries out. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the most This is gonna be the most fun video we've ever made.
Yes.
And we have a box of beer.
Good, nice selection.
Nice. Let's go drink some beer.